Hey ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my Ultra6000 unboxing and review skit. Alright, let's see. Maybe this is a good angle for this tripod, you know, right here. There we go, just stretch it out a bit. I mean, this thing sucks. Oh, there we go. This is good, right there. What?
What do we have here? Another tripod? Oh my, it looks like a cheap-ass tripod. I'm here to send you to the scrapyard. Yeah, you're trying to get initiative on me, huh?
Nani? Impossible. No one ever survives the order.
I'm gonna show you the true power of a real tripod.
Oh, why are you so tough? I don't understand.
That was nothing. I'm gonna show you my final form.
Oh, what kind of abomination are you?
I'm glad you asked. I am the Ultra6000!
What's wrong? Tripod!
This is my old tripod, and we'll be comparing it with the new tripod that I have, which is this Ultra6000 Bison Pack. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this unboxing review of this tripod. So let's open the box, and inside the box, so right out the box we have, I guess I opened it the wrong way. Anyways, boom, oh, look at that, quality build, see, look at that, it's so packed. Who cares? This was $50, I believe. Yeah, I got this for like around $50. And this was $10. See, look at the difference. $10. It's like hollowed plastic. $50. It's aluminum, baby. Let's go. This is gonna be fantastic. And you see how, I don't know if you can see the height line right here. See, look at that. $10 right there. And we haven't even seen the final form. This $50 one. Oh. I know this is off the camera, so I will adjust it by unlocking the locks and pushing it down. This Ultra6000 goes up to 16 inch. While this goes up to a measly 45 inch, I believe. There we go, I nerfed this one. Nerfed it. It's been nerfed. Both of these have a balance button built in, so you can level out, you know, your camera to see if it's in the middle or whatnot, or to level out the legs. This one also has rotating leg studs, so it grips the ground more stronger and firm. This one has static leg studs, so it doesn't grip the ground. And this breaks easily. After 1 year of using this, it's already broken. But I am a very careful person. I take care of my products, you know. I give them love and affection. I don't like rough handle them until they're broken. So I'm gonna take very good care of this one. I hope it lasts longer than this one. These legs, they have density. They're strong. When there's winds blowing at like 10 miles per hour, who's gonna stand strong? Definitely the Sunpack Ultra6000. This thing's gonna tip over and break, die. And then we have this thingamajiggy that makes it go up. So in theory, this is actually, wow, this thing is sick. You got this rotatable lever, so you can bring this pole up more, or you can lower it down. Oh, that's nice too. Very nice. This one doesn't have shit, you know, it just goes up and down, nothing fancy. As you can see, the difference between the TF3110 and the Ultra6000 is as clear as day and night. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be producing some nice videos in the future with this new tripod. Be sure to hit that like button or dislike button, leave a comment if you even want to leave a comment, or have a question and I'll probably answer it, and maybe subscribe, you know, for more boring and, you know, flavorless videos of a random person talking. Yep. Alright, I'll see you later. Have a fantastic day.